Konnichiwa. In this, let's learn some grammar in 3 minutes. So today we're looking at prepositions, which are very common but very small and boring, but they do make a big difference. So let's look at what they are. So they're going to tell you how a noun relates to other things in the sentence. So it's quite important. They add context, usually by giving you more detail about the time or the location or space of the noun, or just kind of the direction the noun is going in. So you can see how very quickly they can add a lot of detail. And they're going to be all the little words like to, at, under, on, if, of, by. So very small little words, but important. And annoyingly, lots of them cross over, so they can mean more than one thing, and that's where the trouble is. Usually they go before the noun, and as I said, they can have more than one meaning, so the context is quite important. You need to look at the whole sentence, and then you'll be able to understand what detail it's trying to give you. Right, so let's look at some that are related to time. Can be after, from, ago, at, before, by, for, in, on, until. Lots of them. You might have to pause this and watch it a few times, or I will make a longer video going through them, because there's quite a lot of different ones here. And we're only going very quickly here. So not only is there time, there's also location and space. So above, below, under, behind, front, between, on. See, on is also on time, on top. You can see how they all mean the same thing. And then we've got direction. You've got over, under, onto, above, below. All these little words give more detail to the nouns. Like I said, context is really important, but you should take some time to look into these and get used to them. They can be quite overwhelming because they can mean different things, but with practice they will get easier. You just need to do lots of listening. So that was extremely quick, hopefully not too confusing, but I'll put the article below so you can take your time, read through everything, and I'll probably make a longer video as well just to really cover this. So that was prepositions. Arigato. Matane.